Hello all of you. Now we will discuss the chapter number 5, factorization. Factorization chapter is just opposite to the last chapter, expansion. In expansion we have discussed about the product. We have to discuss, suppose that we have find out the product of x plus 3 and x plus 2. We will find the product of x plus 2 and x plus 3 by the method of x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. At the place of a is 3, at the place of b 2. So answer will become x square plus 5x plus 6. The question given in the form of the product, the answer will become in the form of the polynomial. But in the chapter number 5, factorization, the question will be given in the form of expansion or expansion or polynomial. It should be converted into the product form. So we will convert the polynomial form or expansion form into the product form in a factorization. In a factorization, to convert into the product or polynomial form or in the factorization, we will convert, given the expansion in product form. To convert into product form, we have to take in the common. So we have to take in the common. Here we will discuss the question number 1, 2x minus 5y, 3x plus 4y minus 6, 2x minus 5y and x minus y. This question contains the two terms. First term 2x minus 5y and 3x plus 4y is the first term, and 6, 2x minus 5y and x minus y is the second term. We see that the first term also contains 2 and second term also contains 6. If the 6 be right in the product form, so it converts into 2 into 3. We can write as the 2 into 3. So 6 also contains 2. So first term also contains 2 and second term contains 6. 6 also contains 2. The both term contain 2. So 2 is a common भी जो दोनों में सेम है. 2 इसमें भी और 2 इसमें भी है. So 2 is taken as the common. Now secondary, we see that the first bracket is 2x minus 5y. In the second term also first bracket is 2x minus 5y. So 2x minus 5y also taken as the common. Now third is 3x plus 4y, but here is x minus y. But this term and this term is not same as, ये दोनों term same नहीं है. So it is not taken as a common. After that, we have divided the each term by the common term. We will divide the each term by the common term. Now we will divide first term. First term is 2x minus 5y and 3x plus 4y. It should be divided by 2x minus 5y. Same 2x minus 5y and 3x plus 4y. It is the first term. Now we will divide by the common term. Common term is 2x minus 5y. 2x minus 5y and 2x minus 5y cancel. 2 से 2 cancel. The remaining term is 3x plus 4y. So we have to write here 3x plus 4y. Now we will put the sign here. Common is positive, but here is negative. So first of all, we have to divide the sign. It is a positive sign, it is a negative sign. So minus sign divided by plus sign, so the answer will be negative. Now we can understand easily by this method. We have to write second term 6, 2x minus 5y and x minus y. If we divided by this term by common factor 2 and 2x minus 5y, we will divide by 2 into 6. It will be converted into 3 and 2x minus y cancel. The answer will become 3 into x minus y. Now we will open the bracket. Now we can write, first of all we have to write common factor as it is. Now we will open the bracket. Answer will become 3x plus 4y minus 3 into x minus 3x minus minus plus 3y 2x minus 5y and 3x and 3x cancel, 4y and 3y, 7y, 2y and 7y, 14y and 2x minus 5y. It will be the required answer. This expansion convert into the product form. It is known as the factorization. Now we will discuss the question number 4. Question number 4 is 2x a minus b plus 3y 5a minus 5b and plus 4z 2b minus 2a. 2x a minus b. Here we see that this term also contain 5 and this also contain 5. Both term contain 5. So 5 taken as the common because it is the same in the each term. A has the coefficient 5, B also has the coefficient 5, A and B has the same, having the same coefficient, so 5 taken as the common. When we divided by 5 and 5a divided by 5, it convert into A. Similarly, 5b divided by 5, it convert into B. Minus 5b divided by 5, it convert into minus 5b. Similarly, 4z here, it contain 2b, it contain 2a, see 2b and 2a, so it 2 taken as the common, it convert into b minus a. Now it contain a minus b, it contain a minus b, but it contain b minus a, have same, it has the positive a, it has the negative a, it has a positive a, it has a positive a, but it is the negative a. Here is negative b, here is negative b, here is negative a. Each term will be same, but this term contain opposite sign to, as the a minus b has a positive, b negative. Second also has the a minus b, a positive, b negative, but here b positive, a negative. To convert into b positive and a negative, here we taken as the minus sign as common, so it convert into 4z into 2. When we taken minus sign as common, the sign will be changed. A convert into positive a and b convert into positive b. Other term leave as same, copy it as same. And this also 2x a minus b. Now we see that first term also contain a minus b, second also contain a minus b, third also contain a minus b. Now we have to take in a minus b as common. So we have to divide it by each term by common a minus b. When we divided by this term in a minus b, a minus b, a minus b cancel, the answer will becomes 2x. When we divided by 3y into 5, a minus b divided by a minus b, a minus b, a minus b cancel, 5 3 ja 15y comes as the answer. And a minus b cancel, plus minus minus, it convert into 8z. It is your required answer. फिर से समझिए, 2x a minus b, 3y 5a minus 5b, 4z 2b minus 2a. 2x a minus b does not contain any same term, but here a contain coefficient as 5, b contain coefficient as 5, both has the same coefficient, so 5 taken as the common. When we divided, now we will divide it, we will taken as the common in 5a and 5b. जितने टर्म में आपने कॉमन लिया है उतने टर्मों में आपको कॉमन टर्म से डिवाइड करना होगा. हमने किस में कॉमन लिया है? 5a और 5b में. सो वी विल डिवाइड इट 5a by 5, so it convert into a. Now we will divide minus 5, we will divide by 5 into minus 5b. So it, when we will divide it minus 5b by 5, so it convert into minus b, so it convert into a minus b. Now 4z, it B also contain coefficient 2, A also contain coefficient 2, so we have to take in 2 as the common. When 2b divided by 2, answer will become B. 2a divided by minus 2a divided by 2, answer will become minus A. We see that here A minus, first term contain A minus B, second term also contain A minus B, but third term contain B minus A. If it contain A minus B, it contain A minus B. It also contain B and A, but it contain opposite sign, but it contain opposite to sign. It contain A positive and B positive. It also contain A positive, B positive, but here is B is positive and A is negative. So convert into same sign, we have to take in as the negative, taken as the common. तो हम माइनस इसमें कॉमन ले लेंगे. When we taken minus as common, this plus convert into minus. सब minus taken as common, B will divided by minus in each term. When we divided by minus in B, it convert into plus, convert into minus. When we divided by minus minus A divided by minus, it convert into positive A. Now first term contain A minus B, second also contain A minus B, and third also contain A minus B. So we have to take in A minus B as taken common. So when we divided by A minus, first term divided by A minus B, so first term is 2x A minus B divided by A minus B, it cancel, convert into 2x. Similarly, when we divided by 3y into 5 into divided by A minus B cancel, 3 5 ja 15. Similarly, when 4z into 2 divided by A minus B cancel, plus minus 8z. It will be the required your answer. It is your answer. Now we will discuss question number 5. Question number 5 is plus A 3a square minus 3. This question contains 4 terms. This contains 2 terms, this contains 3 terms, but it contains 4 terms. When the questions come in the even number of terms, it contains 4 terms, 6 terms, so it divided into the group. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को हम ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. इसे कहते हैं हम फैक्टराइजेशन बाय ग्रुपिंग मेथड. It contains 4 terms, so this question divided into 2 groups. First group contain first 2 terms, second group contain second 2 terms. ये क्वेश्चन आपका सेपरेट हो गया और ये क्वेश्चन आपका सेपरेट हो गया. So first of all we have to solve only first term. First group contain A square and A. It also contain A, it also contain A. Here A has the 2 power, here A has the 1 power. We have taken जिसकी लेस पावर होंगी उसे हम कॉमन लेते हैं. फर्स्ट टर्म ऑल्सो कंटेन है, सेकेंड टर्म ऑल्सो कंटेन है. फर्स्ट टर्म की पावर 2 है, सेकेंड टर्म की पावर 1 है. तो जिसकी पावर कम होती है उसे हम कॉमन लेते हैं. सो वी हैव टू टेक इन A एज द कॉमन. व्हेन A स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई A, आंसर विल कम A, and A divided by A, तो answer will become A plus 1. Now we will solve next group. This contain also 3, this also contain 3. Here is A क्यों होगा क्या? Sorry. Now question number 5 we will discuss again because by mistake copied wrongly. Actual question is A cube plus A and minus 3A square minus 3. So this question it contains 4 terms, first, second, third, fourth. So this question done by the grouping factorization method. In this type of question, we will divide the question into 2 group or 3 group. If it will contain 4 terms, it divided into the 2 group. It will contain 6 terms, so it will be divided into 3 group. So it contains 4 terms, so we will divide it into 2 group. First 2 term taken as the first group, second two term taken as the first group. First of all, we have to solve only first group, first two term, first group. First of all, we have to solve first group. First group contain a, q and a. This term also contain a, this term also contain a. But we have to take in a as the common because the both term contain a. लेकिन हम कॉमन लेते समय पावर देखेंगे तो लेस नंबर पावर जो होती है, जो कम पावर होती है, उस टर्म को हम कॉमन लेते हैं. फर्स्ट टर्म कंटेन 3 पावर, second term contain 1 power, so we have to take in single power term as the common. Now we have to divide aq divided by common a, so answer will be a square, and a divided by a, answer will become plus 1. Now we will solve the second group. Second group contain, it also contain minus 3, it also contain minus 3, so we have to take in minus 3 as common. When we minus 3a square divided by common factor minus 3, the answer will become as a square. Similarly, minus 3 divided by minus 3, minus minus plus, answer will become as a square plus 1. Now we have two term. It is a first term and it is a second term. The first term also contain a square plus 1 and second term also contain a square plus 1. So now we have to take in as a square plus 1 as common. When we divided by first term a square plus 1 divided by common a square plus 1, the answer will become as a. When we divided minus 3a square plus 1 by common factor a square plus 1, also answer will become as minus 3. So it convert into the product of two term a square plus 1 a minus 3. It is your required answer. Now we will discuss the question number 6. It contains 16a plus b whole square, and second term contain minus 4 and third term also contain minus 4. So we have 16a plus b whole square right as it is. But last two term contain, it also contain negative sign, it also contain negative sign. So we have to take in negative taken as the common in each third term and fourth term because both term contain negative sign. Third term also contain 4 and second term also contain 4 and third term also contain 4. So 4 also taken as the common. Now we will divide by the each term, second term and third term because the minus 4 taken as the common in second term and third term. So we will divide by minus 4 यानी common factor से हम उन टर्मों में डिवाइड करते हैं जिन टर्मों में आपने कॉमन लिया है. We have to take in the minus 4 as common in its second term or third term. So we will divide by the common factor minus 4 in second term or third term. When we divided minus 4a by minus 4, answer will become a. Minus minus plus, when we divided minus 4b by minus 4, answer will become plus b. Now we see that the question convert into 1, 2, 3 term to 2 term. Our first term also contains 16 and second term also contains 4. 16 may be written as 4 into 4. So 16 also contains 4. Yani first term also contains 4 and second also contains 4. So 4 taken as the common. First term contain a plus b power 2 and second also contain a plus b. So we have to take in a plus b as common. Now we will divide by 4a plus b. So 4 4 ja 16. A plus b power a plus b whole square divided by a plus b. Remaining term is a plus b. Simply divided 16a plus b whole square when divided by common term 4a plus b. 4 4 ja 16. A plus b cancel, 1 power remaining. So answer will be 4a plus b. Now we will divide it second term is minus 4a plus b. When we divided by 4 cancel and a plus b cancel, answer will become as minus 1. So 4a plus b, now we will open the bracket, it convert into 4a plus 4b and minus 1. It is your required answer. Now we will discuss the question number 11. 11ax plus by whole square and plus bx minus ay whole square. Now we open this expansion by the formula of a plus b whole square. The formula of a plus b whole square we have to write in form of capital letter a square plus b square plus 2ab. When we compare the given expansion with the formula, at the place of capital A is ax, at the place of capital B is by. So we have to write in right hand side at the place of capital A ax and the place of capital B is by. So we have to write a square, so ax whole square. At the place of B by, so we have to write by square plus 2 at the place of A ax, at the place of B by. Similarly, now in second term is given in form of a minus b. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. On comparing with the formula, we see that at the place of a bx, so we have to write a square. First we have to write in the form of right hand side, so we have to, first of all we have to write a square, so we have to write at the place of a bx, so we have to write bx whole square. Second term is ay whole square. Third term is minus 2 at the place of a bx, at the place of by b ay. Here is 2abxy. Here is 2abxy plus minus cancel. Now it convert into a square x square, b square y square, b square x square, a square y square. It contains four terms, first, second, third, fourth. Now we will divide into two groups. We divide as the first group which contain a square. So it contain a square, so we have to write a square. It also contain a square y square. Second group, divide b square has as a coefficient b square, so it may be written, first of all we have to write b square y square and we have to write b square x square. We have divided into two groups. First group which contain a square h coefficient, second group which contain b square h coefficient. So here is a square taken as the common, a square cancel, x square, a square cancel, y square. In second group, each term contain b square as the coefficient, so b square is common, b square cancel, y square, b square cancel, x square. This contain x square y square, this also contain x square y square, both term contain x square y square, so we have to take in x square y square as a common. X square y square cancel, a square x square y square cancel, b square. Answer is x square plus y square and a square plus b square. Question number 12. Question number 12 is a square x square plus ax square plus 1 into x plus a. First of all, we open the bracket a square x square into x, a x cube, when x into 1, x plus a. This divided into two groups, first two as the first group, last two taken as the second group. First group, it contain also a, but here is the 2 power, here is the 1 power, we taken as the common, which contain less power, so we have to take in a as the common. It also contain x, it contain 2 power, it contain 3 power, we taken as the less number of, we have to take in the term which have the less power, so we have to take in as x square. When we divided a square x square by common term a x square. So a and a cancel, x square cancel. Answer will become as a. Now second term is a x cube. When we divided by the common term a x square, a and a cancel, x cube and x square cancel. Answer will become as x. Now here x and a, no one term is common. जब कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होता, कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, तो वी हैव टू टेकन एज द वन एज द कॉमन, बिकॉज एक्स कंटेन एज द कोफिशिएंट 1 और ए ऑल्सो कंटेन एज द कोफिशिएंट 1, सो वी हैव टू taken 1 as the common. So when we divided by 1 into x, so x 1 divided by a divided by 1, so answer will become as the x plus a. This contain x plus a, this contain x plus a, both term contain x plus a, so we have to take in x plus a as common factor. So when we divided by x plus a cancel, answer will be ax square. When we divided second term by a common factor, x plus a cancel, answer will be 1. So answer will be x plus a into ax square plus 1. Now we will discuss the question number 16. A square plus 1 upon a square minus 2 minus 3a and plus 3a. In last chapter we study about the a square plus 1 upon a square. It may be written as a whole square. It may be written as 1 upon a whole square. This may also written as 2 into a into 1 upon a and a cancel here. So it may be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab, means a minus b whole square. At the place of a at the place of b, 1 upon a minus b, yani a minus 1 upon a whole square. Here we have to taken as the common 3 taken as the common, but when we taken as the 3 as the common, when we divided by plus 3, this convert into minus a, but it contain positive a, so we have to take it. हम ऐसी चीज़ कॉमन लेंगे जिससे ये टर्म और ये टर्म सेम आए. If it 3 are taken plus 3 taken as the common, so a will be come as the negative, 1 upon a come as the positive. The sign will be opposite to this bracket. So we will take the negative also taken as the common. Minus minus plus 3a divided by 3a, it convert into a, plus minus minus 3 से 3 cancel, it convert into 1 upon a, so it convert into minus 3 a minus 1 upon a. Now we have to take in a minus 1 upon a contain, this term also contain a minus 1 upon a, this also contain a minus 1 upon a, so a minus 1 upon a taken as the common. When we divided by first term a minus 1 upon a whole square by a minus 1 upon a, answer will be a minus 1 upon a, and when we divided by a minus 1 upon a second term, its answer will become minus 3. It is your required answer. Now we will discuss question number 17. 17 is x square plus y square plus x plus y plus 2xy. This write as first term x square plus y square 2xy, and it is as second group. It may be written as x plus y whole square, but because it is a formula of x plus y whole square. Now we will take in 1 as the common, because here nothing is taken, nothing is same in the both terms. So here x has the coefficient 1, y also has the coefficient 1. So 1 taken as the common. So term it will be converted into 1 into x plus y. Now x plus y taken as the common, so it convert into, when we divide x plus y whole square by x plus y, answer will be x plus y. X plus y divided by x plus y, answer will become x plus y plus 1. Now question number 19. क्या बोलिए विकल्प का m x minus 3y whole square and 3y minus x plus 5x minus 15y. Here we see that x is the positive and 3y is the negative. M x minus 3y. We see that here x minus 3y but here is 3y minus x, but here is 5 taken as the 5 last first term mx minus 3y whole square, second term is n 3y minus x. We see that here 3y contain negative sign, here 3y contain positive sign, here x contain positive sign, here x contain negative sign. But these terms are same, but they have the opposite sign. So convert into same sign, we have taken here minus h common. So it convert into x positive and y negative. In last two term we see that it also contain 5, it also contain 5 because 15 may be written as a 5 3 ja 5 into 3. So 15 also contain 5. So here we have taken 5 as the common. So 5x divided by 5x minus 15y divided by 5, it convert into x minus 3y. Now we see that first term also contain x minus 3y, second also contain x minus 3y, and third also contain x minus 3y. So we have taken x minus 3y as common. When we divided whole square divided by x minus 3y, the answer will become m x minus 3y. Similarly, when we divided by minus n x plus 3y, so x minus 3y cancel, answer will become as minus n. And now last third term 5x minus 3y divided by the common factor x minus 3y cancel, answer will become as 5. Now x minus 3y, now we will open the bracket, it convert into mx minus 3my minus n plus 5, it will be your required answer. Now you can do the exercise 5a, so you will do it. If you have doubt, please send me message, write the question number and send the message in Google on Google Meet. Thank you all of you.